Hello, this is Irina Fonina. This is a quick tutorial showing how to make a photo display reminding of your recent trip or vacation. The project is featuring Alteneu brand products. Start with 4 pieces of corrugated cardboard, cut to 4 by 6 inches each. Tear it randomly, revealing the pleated middle layer. The craft color of this material will go perfectly with mixed media and eco styles. It is also great to reuse packaging boxes in your crafting. When all 4 pieces are done, put them together in pairs. Front sides should be facing each other as shown. Now you will need 6 short strips of craft paper to create a kind of hinges. You don't have to be precise. Simply pre-score a strip, put a strong glue on the side and adhere it to the cardboard. Wrap each strip around the edge. Repeat the same with the other pair of cardboard pieces. It is important to avoid glue on the rim. Then align the parts next to each other, open the side parts to add hinges in the middle. When the glue dries, the base will be ready for decoration. Next you will need photos and decoration elements. I printed 4 pictures from my recent trip to Dubai in the 3 by 4 inches size. Decorating is easy with die cuts, like the ones that I'm showing you, which are from the Reflections Scrapbook collection by Alteneu. Simply place a photo on each piece of cardboard and arrange die cuts as you like. My advice would be to keep it simple. Make sure that decoration doesn't take attention away from the pictures. But before adhering everything down, I decided to stain the cardboard. I'm using metallic shimmer sprays by Alteneu in Forest Glades green and Warm Sunshine yellow colors. Spray ink in random spots, altering the colors to add some interest. Remember to protect your work surface when using inks. Now when the cardboard is dry, bring back the arrangement and glue down all the pieces, minding the order, back to front. Use any type of adhesive that you are comfortable with. I've put strong double-sided tape on the back of each piece in advance, so I'm just peeling off protection tape and pressing the elements in place. The display will stand nicely on a shelf or a coffee table. It is folding and unfolding easily. This piece of home decoration won't take a lot of space when you decide to move or replace it. I hope that you like this tutorial and will get inspired to make your own photo display. I invite you to visit my blog for more paper crafting projects.